I get the angle, man. Yo, they call me Angle Man. Angle Man. So
Alright, so we're going to show you how to fix up this machine here when the coils don't turn all the way and it ends up looking like this. What it really needs to look like is this. So your product stays in there. Because this one could have been sitting here and something already fell out, and then this would fall out and you lose money. You don't want to lose money. So it's very simple. You go into service mode, press that little button in there, and then go around to the front, and using the arrows here, you go down to diagnostics and then press F for enter. Should be E really. And then go down to motors or motor, press F again, and then select your motor, which in this case is D4. You just make sure you stop it with the drop sensor there. So that sensor, make sure, like, if nothing drops, the coil is going to keep turning until something does drop. So in this case, it's fixing the motor. We're going to make sure we stop it once it gets into the proper position. That right there is some super vending tips for you.